If you want to make your AirPods 4 louder, then first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Now go into the AirPods 4 and you will have to go for accessibility settings, and it's available right here. Right now, you will have to go for iPhone audio and here go for headphone accommodations. Right now, you will have to input both earbuds inside your ears and go for the custom audio setup. Then go to continue. You can add an audiogram right now, but you don't need to. And click to continue. And right now you can start. If you can hear that someone is speaking, click yes. If no, click no and click continue. And click continue. And now you've got two versions of the same sound. So in my case, the second one is louder. So you have to click continue. And you have to do the same. Just keep doing this for every comparison that will pop right here. Also, the second one is louder. Here also. And now stay with the custom preset. And right now you will hear this sound. Basically just louder. And by going here, when you select the strong one, you can also get this a little bit different. And you can also go back from this one and go back again. Basically open this AirPod settings one more time, and you will have to find in the accessibility settings the tone volume, and you can push it over 100% and you can get actually the 156%. That's actually a lot. This is the maximum volume, and that's how it looks. Thanks for watching.